everyone, this is Camille. Welcome back to our channel Try to DIY. Today is a special project because I have only one day to paint the wall that is behind me. We are actually in a bedroom that is placed in the basement of a chalet in the mountains. It's the first time I'm doing a project this fast, where I don't think a lot about it. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm a little bit anxious about it, but we'll see. So let's get started. So now that I've cleaned up everything, prepped and put the tape, I'm going to draw my design before I'm going to paint. So here we are, day 2 of this project that was supposed to be a one-day project. So that's definitely a fail. I haven't done the second layer everywhere. I'm missing the blue layer, so I'm gonna do that today. And actually I might do a third layer pretty much everywhere because the color is not that uniform. There's part that I don't like it, so I have to do second layer, maybe third layer, touch-ups on the lines. I don't really like the contrast between the pink and the gray up there. It's not strong enough, so I might add to the light of the pink some stronger pigment. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, so there's a lot of stuff to be done. I'm gonna add some stuff which wasn't planned initially. I'm gonna draw some lines, probably white, maybe some black. I'm not actually sure. And at this point, I'm just hoping that 2 days is gonna be enough for this project. We'll see. And that's the end for this project. If you liked the idea, please don't forget to leave a like underneath the video. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and family. That will help us a lot. Thank you.